Hi, it's Mike.
In this video we're going to have a look at Microsoft Planner. So head over to portal.office.com and log in with your Office 365 credentials, and then in the top left corner click the 9 dots and then click on Planner. If it's not showing here, click on All Apps and it'll be on the list. Okay, so this is the Planner homepage. You can create a plan. So say you have a project and you need to create several tasks for that project and checklists and things. This is a good place to do it. You have the option to have it as public, so anyone with the organisation can see it, or private, so only members that you add can see. And then just add in the description. And create plan. Okay, so this is the home page for the plan, and in there you can add tasks. So say you have something that needs completing by next Friday, you can title it, set the due date, so set it as the first, and then assign to whoever you want. And you can start typing people's names in there and it'll find them within your organisation. Then click add task. Once that's been added, click on the task and you've got a lot more options. There's the progress drop down, so if it's in progress you can select that if it's not been started, or if it's been completed, set the priority. There's a start date and a due date. If you want email reminders, use the due date. So if it's due on the 1st but you want them to start on the 28th, just set that one to the 28th, because this one doesn't send a reminder. You can add a description, and here you can add checklists. And any messages you type in here will be sent to whoever it's assigned to. And then you click send. If you come out of here, within Outlook, you'll see that the groups that we create end up here, so you can easily find them. The one I've just created hasn't populated through yet, but it will appear here within Outlook. You've got other options, so if you click the 3 dots and go into settings, you can customize it by changing the backdrop. You can delete the plan here. You can change the group settings and notifications as well. There's something called buckets, so you can title them with different names. Might help if I could spell. And these can just be dragged across if needed. You just add a new task. Assign it. And then that can be moved around as well. You can complete things, you complete the task just by clicking here. And that'll just strike it through. If you need to uncheck that, just do that. And you can check things off in the plan as well.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check out our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.